Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming platform and opting into betas. That unlocks the entitlement. Sign in to the same account you used to pre-order or paste the redeem code into the store. This links the beta to your profile. Make sure you have 50 plus GB free and a stable 5 plus Mbps connection, because downloads begin automatically once entitlement is detected. Once done, keep your system updated and stay signed in. The game launcher will surface the beta build for install. You now download and configure the beta build. Open your store client, locate the beta under your library or the game page, then start the install and choose a fast drive to reduce load times. While it downloads, set your network NAT to open and configure performance presets or graphics based on your hardware to keep frame rate stable during stress tests. Verify game files after download completes so corrupted packages are fixed, and make sure the latest patch is applied before launching. You launch the beta and accept the EULA, then grant any required permissions like overlays or controller access. That enables full functionality. Use Quick Play to jump into populated matches or the server browser for specific regions. When you encounter bugs, upload logs and screenshots through the in-game reporting tool so developers can reproduce issues. If the beta won't start, clear cache, confirm NAT status, reinstall the build, and, if needed, contact official support with your system specs and log files for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.